Hi and happy Wine Wednesday. As you can probably tell, today I'm opening a wine subscription. This is Winc Wine Club. I just got this the other day and I was watching other mom's video yesterday and she said this is one of the boxes she wanted to try. If you did not yet see our collaboration videos, we talked about the 9 subscription boxes that we want to try in 2019. I will list it down below. You should definitely check it out. It was super fun to do. So I obviously have already tried this subscription box. It is super awesome. So of course you get some wine, and this is the box it comes in, which is super convenient because it has a handle on top. And another reason why I love this subscription is because it is very customizable. So when you sign up, you fill out a little survey to kind of get, so they can kind of get a sense of your tasting notes of what you like and what you prefer. And you can customize it also by the pricing, the type of wine, so you can either get like a mix of red and white, just red, just white. I am a red wine lover, so I get all red wine, and I get 4 bottles a month. You can choose how many bottles you get. This subscription seriously is totally customizable to your taste, your price range, all of that. So I will leave the link down below, and if you're interested, I have a $20 off coupon code, so when you use the link, when you click it, it'll be automatically applied. So if you're interested, definitely check it out. Definitely worth it. For $20 off, that's pretty much half the price. Well, it really all depends on how many bottles you want to get. So like I said, I get 4, and I get bottles that are about $13 each. So I'm going to open it and show you, and I think I may try one. It's almost 5 o'clock. I'm kind of dealing with a 2-day hangover from New Year's Eve. Like, maybe this will spruce me up a little bit. But I'll be right back when I open this box. So right on top when you open it, there is this little card. It says, "I will drink life to the less," I think, by Alfred Lord Tennyson. There you go. That is that. Let's see what's inside. Usually it's like some coupons and stuff like that. Maybe there'll be some information on the wines. So this talks about gifting wine for the holiday season. And then it says, another quote, "Come quickly, I'm tasting the stars." It says, "Now is time to brush up on the popping, pouring, and serving. Come celebrate with Winc as we dust off our flutes and break out the bubbly. Cheers delivered." So just like a cute little simple card in there. And then there is a Hello Fresh coupon. Remember I said in yesterday's video that a lot of subscription boxes come with these, and I've been dying to try it. I really want to, so I might do that soon. Oh, and here's another one that would work well for my resolutions. Yoga Club. Have you guys tried this one? If you have, let me know. That's cool. And then something else in here. It looks like there's a coupon code there if you felt like checking that out. It looks like it might be a Kate Spade. All right. And then when you get to the wine box, it is very well secured. It has this on top. All the bottles are nicely intact. And I'm going to grab one that has a screw off top, so I can open that and let it breathe for a minute and then try it while I'm talking about all the wines. So here is the first bottle. This is a Malbec from Argentina, and I think it's called Mercana, and this is what the bottle looks like. I'm just gonna go ahead and open this and set it down for a second. I pulled up their website so I can kind of look at the tasting notes and tell you everything. So it's super convenient. When you have your account, you can just pull it right up, and it'll tell you actually what recipes, like along with actual recipe instructions, go well with your wine. And then it'll tell you the tasting notes and also the average rating for them. So this is a round, fruit-forward, food-friendly wine. It is rated 3.7 stars by 411 customers. It has tasting notes of plum, red cherry, spice, and vanilla. And it's more in the fruity end. It's in the middle for the wood and earth tones. So I am going to pour a glass and try that. But I will let it breathe for about a minute or two because I'm impatient. I know some people like to let their bottles breathe more, but it doesn't have any extra instructions, so I'm just going to set this aside. You'll see me sipping it soon. So the next bottle is Yí Vino de España. It's 2017 Monastrell. See, I don't know much about this type of wine. I know I say this all the time, but I love subscription boxes just because I get to try out things I normally would not try. So let's see what this is all about. It says on the back that it is Spanish. It's an intense, bold grape from Spanish origin. Comes from the southeast part of the country and exhibits juicy notes of cherry, strawberry, and plum. So let's look. So this is described as robust, complex, and savory. It has tasting notes of black pepper, dark plum, dried herbs, and fig. And this is rated 3.9 out of 5 by 1,094 customers. And this is more earthy compared to fruity and woody tasting. So again, that is that. The next one is what I've tried before, and I can say from experience I enjoy this wine. This is from California. It's Chop Shop. It's a Cabernet Sauvignon 2017, and this is what the label looks like, and I really enjoyed it. So let's see what everyone else says on here. So this is rated 4.1 out of 5 stars, and it is a bold, jammy, and food-friendly wine. So I always like when I say food-friendly wines because I generally love to have wine with my dinner. And this is tasting notes of baking spice, blackcurrant, eucalyptus, and red cherry. So again, I highly recommend this one. That is good. And I believe with Winc they send you emailed like a few days before they bill you and ship your products. You get to like kind of see what you're getting. So if you don't like it, you can swap something out. So, and again, you don't have to get all reds like I am getting. So do you think it's long enough for me to try this? It's good. I haven't had a Malbec in a while. I've been really into Pinot Noirs lately, but I also love Cabs and Malbec. I just really love red wine in general. I rarely drink white wine, but occasionally I will. I've had some sparkling white wine, I guess if that counts as champagne the other day, but I'm a red girl for sure. And if you're not a red girl, that's fine. You can get your sweet white wines delivered to you if that's what you like. All right, so what one didn't I show you yet? Restless Earth. This is a Petite Syrah from Santa Barbara Highlands Vineyard. And that is what it looks like. And let's see, is this from California? It must be, right? Santa Barbara. Winc actually brews some of their, or is that the right term? They actually make some of their own wines, which is super cool, I think. So they have their own vineyard. And this is bold, dark fruit, and rustic. And it is from California, like I said. Tasting notes of blackcurrant, clove, cocoa, and plum. So this is rated 3.9 out of 5 stars by 1,411 customers. And this is a more fruity taste, like the description says. It's a little bit earthy and woody too as well. And there's more descriptions on here on the website too. So like I said, I will leave that down below, the link for $20 off. But even if you don't want to use that code right now, you can just check out the website and see what they have to offer. I've been getting this for a long time. I don't always post it on my channel because I find that alcohol videos, alcohol related content doesn't seem to do as well, but I don't know, hopefully some of you like this. I love wine, so if you want to keep seeing videos like this, please let me know. If not, also let me know. So I really want to do what you guys like to see, so I'm really excited about 2019. Please check out my video yesterday if you did not yet, because I would love to know your opinions on what boxes I should try in this upcoming year, what boxes you would like to see. Please let me know, because like I said, I like to produce content that you like. So thank you so much for unboxing with me. I am going to go and enjoy my wine, so cheers and good night.